showroom. We've just finished his car. We've had a couple of changes, so he's in for a bit of a surprise. So let's go catch up with him and see if he's ready. He does look a bit nervous, so let's have a squeeze. Hey mate.
You're finally getting me.
How are ya?
Oh, shoes on the other foot this time, eh?
You look nervous. You want to come have a squeeze?
Oh, yeah.
All right, go over. I'll let you go.
Keen as. I haven't looked yet. Whoa, holy shit. Wow. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh.
You like the roof?
Yeah. You went gloss as well.
Yeah. That looks factory, eh?
Does, eh? That is... Wow, I really like how this come up too.
Yeah. Again, like it really draws those lines out, eh?
Wow. That is sick, man.
Yeah.
That came up better than I thought. Like, I knew it would look good, you know, because done the 76, but man, that's...
Yeah.
Jeez.
So we thought it might be too much if we wrapped all the gloss stuff.
I noticed that.
Satin.
Yeah.
So it really breaks it up.
It does. I kind of like how you made that call.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I was a little bit worried, to be honest.
Well, I think you hit the nail on the head, because if this was gloss and this was matte,
yeah,
then...
it would look weird. Plus you got the sunroof there, so it sort of just flows
Yeah.
as one, you know what I mean? We sort of call it like OEM plus. So it's like, looks factory, but it's, you know.
That's awesome, man. That is unreal.
Not too crazy, but...
Absolutely unreal. I'm so stoked. That looks so cool.
Yeah.
I reckon it was a cool looking car to start with, but now it's just, yeah. And you know what? I've got these weather shields from Cheap Bay.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And they'll be gloss as well, you know?
Oh, perfect. So it just sort of, it's subtle, you know? Looks really good. All the plastics, you probably can see, like the plastics look a lot darker as well.
Yeah, you ceramic coated them?
Yeah. You actually got a lot of plastic on this car, eh?
Yeah.
There's quite a lot.
It's quite a bit.
But it just sort of, and especially because this was factory gloss, it just ties right in, you know, gloss.
Love it, man.
Follow it all the way through.
That is so wicked.
Yeah.
Fantastic job, man. Your boys have done a cracker. This is so cool.
I'm glad you're happy, mate.
Man.
Because,
that's unreal. It really pops, eh?
Yeah, even if you stand here, like this whole, like the line through here, and it's quite a lot of lines.
What do you reckon, Chris? This will be easier to take photos of now and video, right?
Totally.
Because, you know, when it's gloss white, it's like filming a wedding, you know? It's so hard to get the...
Yeah, it'll be bright, super bright outside.
Unreal. Yeah. I actually thought you fixed the side step for a second, because I looked at that side, I was like, what the hell?
Yeah, I can't do any magic.
That is unfixable, man.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And then...
that is so good.
I actually drove it outside yesterday when it was super glary, and like the screen, as we talked about, satin or stealth screen.
Yeah. Wicked. The boys have put stealth wrap on the screen as well, and like you were saying, Nick, you could still use a touch screen.
Yeah, you can use it as normal, but it just stops that glare. So, you know, when you're in the sun and it's super glary. Yeah. Same as fingerprints and things like that. Plus you're protecting the screen at the same time.
So you just wipe it, you know?
That's so cool.
That's I remember the first time I ever bought a new car, I went to wipe this after the first week, and I completely scratched everything.
Yeah, if you have any dust or sand in there, and you can't really polish the screens.
Wow, it smells like a new car again.
That's right. So you're getting a new car feeling for the second time.
I know. I'm stoked. I'm stoked how this came out. I knew it would look good, but I didn't know it would look this good. And the roof, so glad you went with the gloss. Yeah. If I had to make a call on that day, I would have said matte.
Yeah.
But now seeing it,
gloss is better.
Yeah, it really stands out. It's so cool.
It does, but I mean, like someone could walk past and almost think it's a different model. Because it looks factory.
It's the mad altitude.
Yeah, that's it, mate. And then the key, the boys also wrapped.
Oh, no way, you did too?
Yeah, stealth.
Let's check out the screen. It's even got like a stealth look now
Yeah.
on the screen. Yeah, you like. I mean, you're always going to get some form of glare, but it's not like it's softened.
Yeah.
That's wicked.
And because you're going to touch that all the time, like the fingerprints are horrendous on a normal screen, so at least you can wipe it down and not have to stress about it, you know?
It's funny you should say that because I've always been like just the tips.
Yeah.
It comes with the car, you know. It's just wicked. Oh man.
I'm glad you're happy.
Yeah, I like the 76, how that looked at the end. And I still love that look. I reckon this might actually have top the 76 look. Yeah.
There you go, eh? And there I was worried.
Well, you got good taste, mate.
Oh.
Who made the call on the gloss?
I think it was sort of a joint effort. I think we were all sort of like, you know what, there's too much gloss on the car to sort of do it in stealth. Gloss roofs always look nice, you know.
Yeah.
So bit of a contrast, and like I said, OEM plus sort of look. It looks really good,
man. Well, there you go. Trust the experts. It's like the bloopy that stayed with the gloss because, yeah, I agree. That looks
better.
Looks better with the gloss, I reckon too.
Yeah.
But yeah, awesome. Thanks, man.
No problem, man.
So,
You're welcome.
So cool.
You're welcome.
Cheers, Jones.